This free open source tool will actually help you tons with research. You don't want to have your research papers scattered everywhere, and even though you try to organize them manually, it takes you ages. But today you're learning 4 free open source tools that will actually organize your research so you can focus on the work that matters. Before we begin, please make sure you have subscribed. 99% isn't, it will be the 1% that's very special. Let's get started. Zotero is the most powerful free tool for collecting, organizing, and citing your research papers. It syncs across devices, works within your browser, and integrates with every major writing tool. You will never lose a paper again. Go to zotero.org and you can easily download it right here. It is available for Mac, Windows, Linux, iOS, and Android. Click on download right here. You can easily save from your browser within one click, but you can also get your own personal research assistant. And if you want to get it for your mobile, just get it on App Store or Google Play. The only thing you have to do is to click to save to Zotero, and it will save in your collection, and you will never lose this again. It's available on your phone and also on your own system. Let's move on to the next one, and if you want a full explanation, please comment down below and I'll make a full dedicated video about it. The second one is ResearchRabbit, the AI tool for smarter, faster literature reviews. Saves hours on literature reviews with ResearchRabbit. You can build citations, maps, and track research trends powered by AI. Go to the website and you can easily jump in. Research is trusted with Harvard, Berkeley, SNRS, and all those universities, also Oxford. You can easily get started here by clicking on jump in. Just get an email address and password, click on sign up first if you haven't made an account yet. It will find similar papers on the ones you're working on. Let's say you've got 5 great papers on a topic, and ResearchRabbit will crawl through academic databases and show you 20 more papers, for example. It will save you hours of manually searching. Sign up at researchrabbit.ai and, for example, upload your Zotero library to it, which is the app from step 1. People on Reddit say that ResearchRabbit plus Zotero is completely unbeatable. Someone spent weeks long doing it the old way, but with ResearchRabbit he found 80% of his sources within 2 days. The visualization of how papers are found is a chef's kiss. Let's move on to the third app. Elicit is for scientific research. It uses AI to search, summarize, extract data, and chat with about 125 million papers. It is used by 2 million researchers in academia and industry. Go to the website and you can try it out for yourself. Right here, it's going to gather papers and everything that for you after asking it to do that for you. We'll screen the papers and extract some insights and generate a report depending on what it found. Try it now by clicking right here and it will save you tons of time. Elicit searches academic papers and auto-summarize results. It saves you tons of time and you can spend your time on something more important. Just put in the research question and it will return relevant papers of their key findings. The free tier actually allows you to do unlimited searches, and the paid tier gives you advanced features. Let's move on to the fourth one. Well, Zotero, ResearchRabbit, and Elicit find and organize your papers, but Notion and LaTeX organizes your actual writing. Notion's very flexible for notes and outlines, and LaTeX handles complex manuscripts with hundreds of pages, tables, and automatic formatting. You've probably already heard about Notion, the AI workspace that works for you. I've actually used Notion multiple times and I think it is very useful. You can actually save anything you want here and customize it however you want, and it also has an integrated AI that can directly help you with what you need. It can create tasks, notes, and everything like that. And LaTeX can actually help you with your documents. Let's click on Get right here, and right here we have the repository. The repository is located at this GitHub page, but I recommend that you scroll above so you can actually install the application for Linux, macOS, Windows, and also online. You can use online services like Overleaf, and you can begin anything. Let's move on to number 5, which is how you should use all the applications I've just mentioned. Well, you should start with Elicit or Google Scholar. Save promising papers to Zotero, and then use ResearchRabbit to find adjacent papers. Tag everything in Zotero with a theme or a chapter. Export all of these collections to Notion for visual organization. You can outline your manuscript in Notion and write in LaTeX or your preferred editor. And like this, you can do research very fast and easily, save everything and never lose it again. I do really recommend that you try out Notion and also Zotero. Even if you don't do any research, it might save you tons of time. Because Zotero is also available on your Android and iOS device. And Notion is great for organizing all your things. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video and maybe you have learned something. Most of these applications are free, so try them out today. Please make sure to subscribe if you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.